Happy Saturday. It's a lockdown weekend in Nassau, so I will take you along with us, at least for part of our Saturday, to see how we survive lockdowns in Nassau during the pandemic. Brycey's here with all his mosquito bites. And Jordan is here, dressed as Snow White. And we are going to get started on an activity.
Yay! I'm turbo-wee, I'm turbo-wee, I'm turbo-wee.
Code word for activity.
Turbo-wee, I'm turbo-wee.
Say hi.
Turbo-wee.
Say hi.
Hi.
Jordan, say hi. Hi.
I hold it to the tang to see it. So we are starting on it to activity. I open the box, Mom.
Okay, go ahead.
Say what's it? What is?
Okay. Wow. Okay, let mommy take this paper.
And a tighter. And a tighter. I see a lot of things. And cookies to eat. And a scissor. A chocolate scissor. An eating scissor.
An eating scissor?
And chocolate things. And a bike. And these stuff.
Crafts, yes.
And these are mine. These are my these are my tape. And this is the other tape.
Bless you.
And these are like
This is glue, Bryce. This one's glue.
oh.
Jordan, what's that? Oh, you see something num-a-nums. What else do you see, Brycey?
These.
Those are called pipe cleaners.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And look, these are toys.
Yes, more crafts.
And these are the toys Nana has. The other one.
Thank you, Jordan.
Ow!
Ooh, for Pez, good stuff. You got a Halloween candy bag. Yeah, let mommy take this. Thank you. Okay, what else do we have?
We have this too.
Okay.
And we have this too.
Okay. And you're finally at the bottom. Wow. What do you think about all this stuff, Brycey?
Those, I know. And Sandy.
Oh yes, pass it to mommy, please.
It's candy to eat.
Yeah, we're gonna save that for a little later. Thank
Now
you.
let's open all these things.
Oh, we're not opening them all at once.
Oh. Let's make our way with these things.
You wanna do the ones with the pipe cleaners?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a whole box full of goodies. And I have to figure out what goes with what. Hold on, Brycey. You're getting everything all mixed up.
Inside here. And when I do it, it comes out.
It's a lockdown weekend, and we received one of the very first Crafty Co. Crafty kits for the family. Now these kits have a whole bunch of activities. We just unboxed everything. Well, Bryce unboxed it. And there are going to be so many activities out of this one box. So it has materials for about 3 to 4 family activities, and this one is themed for Halloween. So this is the very first special edition Halloween box that we get to try out. It also has a family fun game and an easy snack recipe. And just so you know, these boxes are designed for children ages 3 to 7. So Jordan is a little bit too young for these activities. And any parents who get these boxes, I recommend that you open it first before you let your child see, just so you know what's inside. For example, there's candy in there, and I should have probably taken that out already. The box also includes themed coloring and learning pages, illustrated by Tia Tony Designs, as well as educational guides to teach children a little something about each of the holidays that the box is designed around. Each kit costs $29.99, and it can be expanded based on how many kids you have in the household who will be doing the activities and crafts, so that you have enough supplies for everyone. Everything launches November 1st, and you can join the mailing list on their website, which I will leave below. Crafty kits are designed to create meaningful memories for the whole family.
Let me hold it.
Oh no, I don't want you to hold it because it's an expensive camera. It's also designed to instill feelings of accomplishment and pride while encouraging risk-taking and problem-solving. For example, Jordan is trying to solve the problem of the snacks trapped inside the bag. But this is going to be an activity that's going to be a lot of fun. We'll probably do this at a later date. Rice Krispie treat monsters. And so it comes with the instructions for everything, as well as the ingredients. So what you'll need to make that delicious, fun snack. So we're gonna get started with one of the activities.
I can do it.
Okay, this is called a Halloween magical wand. Create Halloween-tastic spells with your spooky wand. Do you have all the pieces that you need?
Yes. I have the tape, and I have...
And we also need this part.
And another one.
Do you want the green guy? Oh yeah.
And these are even stickers.
Yes, because we're gonna make this. This is what we are making. Which one are we gonna do? The green guy? Are we gonna put a bat on him too? Oh yeah, that would be cool, like that.
No!
Whoa.
No, you have to, when he will turn into a bat.
Okay, so the first step is to tie the ribbon strips at the top of the wand. You're welcome. What do you say with a magic wand?
Bah!
You say abracadabra?
Abadabra. Abadabra. Abadabra.
The destroyer. No, baby. Let's put Brycey's stuff back before we get in trouble. Okay?
Mom,
You want to swing it around?
do you have the cider one?
Yes.
Mom,
Yes.
what's my
So I think we're going to try this a little later once it's dark. The glow-in-the-dark ghost balloon. And again, it has all the materials that you need in here. Lockdown turned into a rainy lockdown weekend. So I just watched the rain come in. The babies are napping. I had to put my hair up because humidity. I am going to just get some stuff done on my computer, maybe do some writing. I can appreciate this time. And now, the interview I have been waiting for, coming up in 3, 2, 1. Brycey,
Huh?
what do you like to draw?
I like to draw like the SUV.
What makes you happy?
Darling.
What makes Brycey sad? What makes Brycey sad? Mosquito bites?
Yeah.
How old are you?
So little.
How old is Bryce?
So little.
Too little? Where do you live, Brycey?
In Johannes.
What are your favorite books? Clifford. Oh, that's sweet. What is love? A kiss?
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you.
It is the end of the day. We are doing bedtime stories with the bedtime babies. And yeah, this is just what we do in a quarantine lockdown weekend. We take the time. We did lots of crafts. Brycey, what was your favorite activity today?
Naked socks.
Which one was your favorite that we did today? Magic wand, or was it the Halloween magnet?
Halloween magnet.
That does it for this portion of the video. We are in full bedtime mode. Keep trying to flash his underoos. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and leave in the comments, have you done any fun fall crafts with your kids? If you're in the Bahamas when on a lockdown weekend, if you're anywhere else in the world, you know, what have you been doing for fun?
Mom.
So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
See, we're in the mess there at all.
You can press it now.